Oh my God, I just love it so much. And guess what? I tasted it, that was not good. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? I'm doing amazing. So today's video is going to bring you some PR unboxings. I think that is like always fun. Like I love to watch PR unboxings on YouTube. So hopefully you do enjoy this video. If you do, let me know. But first up, I wanted to share with you, you guys already know, Dossier. This is a company that specializes in dupes of luxury scents, but you're not gonna have to pay the luxury price. I absolutely love this perfume right here. They sent it to me. I chose this one though. It's the Gourmand White Flowers. This smells absolutely amazing, and it is supposed to smell like flower balm. Oh my God, I just love it so much. And guess what? I tasted it, that was not good. Ugh. Okay, anyways, guess what? They also have candles now. Okay, whew. First con, I wish it was bigger because this is so impressive. The throw is out of this world, incredible. It smells so good. I've burned it so many times. I think the life expectancy of this is like, is it like 50 something hours? I don't know, but oh my God, amazing, incredible, incredible, incredible. Dossier, right now, Dossier is having a sale up to 40% off. So definitely check that sale out and see if there's something that you like. I highly recommend these. The throw is fantastic, very good candle. I just wish it was bigger. And also, this is non-paraffin wax. And then as for the perfumes, they last all day, so good. They spray really well. Just make sure your mouth is closed, unlike me. But yeah, one of my absolute favorite perfumes, base notes are a musk, patchouli, caramel, and vanilla. I do totally get that musky vanilla caramel scent. Oh, so it's like sweet and musky, and I just love this so much. And I'm so glad I now have a candle, like, because my house can now smell like that. So definitely check out their candles and their perfumes. They have a huge variety of perfumes, and then they have a few candles that you can choose from. So I'm really excited, and I hope that they expand that because, like I said, they smell so good. Pixi Beauty, I've been on their PR list for some time now, and whenever I saw this in my shipping notifications, I was like, I know what that's gonna be. Okay, do you guys have any idea? First off, a super, super cute packaging. I really love their packaging. I think they put like a lot of effort into it. Here it is. It is the Glow Tonic. How adorable is this? I absolutely love it that it says Gigi's Glow Tonic. So it's like, this is for me, honey, nobody else. I don't know if you've tried this before, but it is a glycolic acid formula. I absolutely love glycolic acid because it retexturizes and smooths out the skin like dramatically and like so good. I love it. So it's like one of my favorites. So this is really one of my fave toners as well. I really like it. It's really big. It's like a big mama right here. And then I also have the little pump in here. So I just want to say thank you so much, Pixi, for sending. I always love to see your packages in the mail, and I'm so grateful to be on your PR list. They're actually one of the first makeup brands to put me on their PR list. So like it means a lot. Like thank you so much. So next up is a package from Briogeo. This is one of my favorite hair care brands. They really create so many awesome products I just absolutely love. Like they have a brand new release. Oh my gosh, I have to go get it. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. All right, they have a brand new release. I think this either launched yesterday or today. I can't remember. Oh, I think it was yesterday this launched. Now, this is their rice water protein with moisture. It has the dual action combo. So you're getting the moisture formula on one side, and then you're getting the rice protein formula on the other. Honey, my hair was dramatically dry, like so dry, because I had just dyed it. But I never experienced such a dryness before. I used this just once, like a day after I had dyed my hair. So silky. My hair was so silky just after one use, and you leave it in there for 10 minutes. Oh my God, I was like so blown away. Like, it works so good. It smells nice. It's like a lightweight type of consistency, so you do have to like plump like a good bit in there to get it through the strands of your hair, but it is really, really good. I highly recommend it. If you haven't tried anything from Briogeo, definitely try this. So good. And there are some other products I'm going to tell you to try, but go ahead and grab this one. If you have dry, brittle hair, this is for you. I'm telling you, it works really, really well. And I'm very excited to keep using it because like it really does strengthen your hair. It softens it. It makes it silky. It makes it shiny. I think I'm going to input the video that I shared with everybody. Like, I would let my hair down right now, but I haven't washed it in a couple days. So we're not going to do that. But yeah, highly recommend it. Use it. So good. And I just love the packaging. Like, it's very like heavyweight, very pretty. I just like it a lot. Love, love, love. Love, love. Okay, so now if you want a happy, healthy scalp, here is one. This is a kit that they sent me. Yep, you already know, the Scalp Revival. Oh, love the Scalp Revival. It's incredible. And you know what? They're available at Ulta. How exciting. Yes, Briogeo. Congratulations. Hopefully I'm looking at the right thing. And yes. And isn't Nancy so gorgeous? She is the CEO, the founder of Briogeo. She's the one making her hair fabulous, honey. All right, so let's get this out. Ooh. Alrighty. So here is this little cute kit right here. You see it comes with everything that you need to make your hair fabulous. It has the exfoliating scalp shampoo. I love this stuff. It really does. It also gives my hair not just a clean vibe, but it also really does a good job at giving me volume and exfoliating my scalp and getting all the dirties out of there. And then it also comes with the tea tree scalp treatment oil right here. I really like to put that along my scalp to help any kind of itchiness that I get on my scalp. This really does help. Oh, excuse me. And then there is also the hydrating mask that you can use for your hair. I really, really like this, but I like to focus a lot of times on the ends of my hair, like the strands of my hair. I like to do that a lot. And then right here is the dry shampoo. And like, I really love their dry shampoo. Their dry shampoo is another one that I stand behind. It really does help take that greasy, oily feeling out of your hair, and it lasts all day. Like, there's some other ones I've tried that it doesn't last all day. This one really does, and I really, really like that. And then you also get this little scrubber right here. So this is gonna be my second scrubber, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, if you haven't tried their hair products, definitely check out a kit. I really do love this brand. I love that they're cruelty free. I love that they really do have hair products that cater to everyone. If you have like a dry, itchy scalp, you need some good exfoliation, definitely check this kit out. I want to say thank you so much, Briogeo, for sending. I'm really happy to have this. I absolutely love my scalp revival journey. Absolutely love these goodies in here. And thank you so much for tuning in. I hope everyone has a beautiful and blessed day. Bye-bye.